I love dentists, I love people, so it just made sense to be in the dental field. Here we are and loving every minute of it.
I've actually wanted to be a dental assistant a long time ago. I wasn't sure where to start. I went and read everything about it and I was like, this is really cool. I just want to go try this.
The flexibility of the hours of school and when I had to be in class was very helpful to me because I was working a full-time job at the time.
So when I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. We get in there, we do the labs, everything is hands-on, everything is literally you doing it yourself. That was the best part to me, so that way once I actually did it, I grasped it, I could hold on to it, and I could take it into the workplace.
They explained to me how affordable the payment was and how I don't have to pay it all at once. They have pay plans, so I didn't even have second thoughts about it. I just did it.
It was very affordable, it was quick, 12 weeks, so I thought it was a good deal.
They also did help me with my job. Career Services sent my resume and that day I got an interview. It was amazing. It was actually a surprise to me because it was real quick.
The current job I have now I already had before even graduation, so the school did a great job of helping me prepare for those interviews and things like that.
I was still doing my externship and I actually got a job, so I was working and going to school. It was actually pretty great.
I'm really happy that I made the right choice.
After the military, I was looking for a career, not just a job, not just an 8 to 5 kind of thing. So I really love that I get to be a dental assistant for the rest of my life.